So hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's my first message to ask me about cryptocurrency, and I don't want to be going back and forth with my responses. So I will try as much as possible to respond to messages from the chat box, if any, and try to give a stepwise approach towards starting your journey on the cryptocurrency space. Well, to get started, you really need to understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrency. You need to know what it actually is all about. And this money is not gotten from space, it's not from thin air. A lot of people have such opinions that I cannot invest into something that is not um, I cannot invest into something that is not tangible because they cannot tell where this money is gotten from. So they ask you where exactly. It's not like there's a central bank that prints Bitcoin or a central bank that prints Ethereum. Yes, that's very true. But I have made a video to introduce everyone to a concept of cryptocurrency, the blockchain technology, how all of these things are found, how they are minted, if you would use the word minted, because this is not fiat, right? So we call it mining. So how they are mined, what it actually means to mine a particular coin. And so, yes, just to recap, blockchain technology is not cryptocurrency, right? Blockchain technology is a decentralized financial system, like a ledger you have copies, so to speak. It is not duplicated copy in this manner. You have it transparent across many nodes. Well, it's very difficult explaining all of this concept without being a bit technical, and I don't want to bore you with all the technology and technicalities here, but you really just want to make this money, so there's no point taking you through all of that. But then the technology here is to help decentralize the financial system or any system at all. That is the immutability. We can all see what's going on, but we cannot all change anything, right? That's transparency. Everyone has visibility on what's happening in the blockchain, that is chain of blocks. So for every valid block that is being created by crypto miners, you get a reward. And so the first Genesis block was created by Satoshi Nakamoto after the creation of blockchain technology, of course, yes. And I think 4 years. So imagine you get 100 Bitcoin block you create. After 4 years, anyone that creates a new only gets 50 Bitcoin. And economics plays a very vital role here in that you have demand and supply. So when supply goes down and demand goes up, price skyrockets. So that's just the basic or elementary approach to cryptocurrency. Then we have the likes of Ethereum, we have the likes of Litecoin and the others. They basically have these at their fundamental level. We have smart contracts. You may just want to take your time to research about. So to dive right into the business of the day. So as a Nigerian, your question could, how do I even begin? I don't even know what to buy, start from, right? I hear a lot of people talking about making profit. I also want to put my money in, make some cool profits, and move. Yes, the first place to begin actually is to have the right mindset. You have to understand that, yes, this is an investment system as well. Um, there's every possibility of loss because no one has autonomy of the market. If you can put in your money today and you lose all of it, I'm just speaking theoretically, though, don't get scared. Right. So you just have to come open-minded that, yeah, I could lose some, I could, and like just like it is with any other investment scheme. Right. So if you're coming into the crypto space, for me, I do not trade. There are opportunities in the crypto space, such as buying of coins and holding onto it. Once the price goes up, that is, supply reduces, demand increases, people are in need of those coins, you can sell and make some profit. Right. So that's just like you holding. You can hold for a short term, you can hold for a long term, and you could as well, instead of just holding, letting your coins lay or just stay in your wallet, there's this opportunity to stake your coin, just like a fixed deposit with the banking system, where you have maybe 2 bitcoins and you're not ready to spend it or sell them. You can stake into a wallet and say, okay, here's my 2 BTC. I'll be receiving some return on investment over the next couple of months. So I'm just going to lock it up there. I'm not going to have access to that coin and for the next 3 months, just for instance, or for the next 1 year. And once the whole agreed period is elapsed, you return to claim your rewards. And so you get your rewards either in that particular coin that you staked or in another coin that has been promised you. Yes, so that's taking. Then we have the supercharging pools. Platforms like crypto.com, yes, has supercharger where you can as well put in a particular amount of coin that you have. For crypto.com, they have the coin called CRO. So you could put in an amount of CRO, for instance, and when there's a supercharging pool, you get to deposit that particular amount and lock it up for, it used to be 30 days, now I think it's 45 days. And then at the end of the charging period, as it is called, you would receive a fraction of your, it is, there's a way to calculate it. I don't want to go into details, but you just receive some reward as well in some other currencies. So you put in crypto.com's coin, and at the end of 45 days, you get rewarded in maybe Doge or Ethereum or any of these currencies that you've been charging for. So that's that. And I think Trust Wallet, you have platforms like Olive Cash, where you can farm coins and you just put in some amount of Olive, just like the crypto.com's supercharging pool. You put in that amount you have, and for a little while, it mints or mines some amount of cryptocurrency. Maybe if you are charging for Aquagood, for instance, I think that was the last one that was done on Olive Cash. So you put in maybe 100 or 1,000 Olive Cash into Aquagood. That's a charging pool. After, I think theirs is shorter, maybe 15 days or 10 days or a month, you'd return to harvest and unstake your Olive Cash. And with it, you get corresponding reward in Aqua Goods. So these are just opportunities where you can put your coins to good use when you are holding for a long term instead of just leaving them in your wallet. Then there's the opportunity to as well um, trade. I really don't trade, so there are a lot of platforms out there where you can do trading, spot trade, rather margins, future trading. A lot of them. There are bots that can as well help you with your trades, automated trading, places a stop loss, or just gets your profit at the right time. I've not had time to look into trading yet, and it's to me has high level of unnecessary risk. Yes, with trading you can easily blow up within an hour, and as well you can easily plummet within the same hour. So you just have to be kind of attentive and available to be able to trade effectively. But with bots now, you can as well just let them handle things for you, and you'll be trading hands free for a while. So today is not about trading. Today is just I have 5,000 naira. I want to invest into cryptocurrency. What do I need to do? Yes, so aside from mindset, as I've earlier mentioned, which is the number one priority on your list to being a crypto trader or crypto investor, you also need to research. You have to devote time to research. You have to devote time to um, reading of materials, trying to learn. I've had conversations with a lot of people in the past couple of weeks and days where they would ask me, okay, how do I start? And I say, okay, here is a link, read up on this or watch this video to get started, try to understand the fundamentals. And they tell you, I cannot really read. By this, I don't mean they are illiterate or whatsoever. They just feel lazy to read, right? And so they'll be like, just give me pointers, just tell me what to buy, just tell me, let me just. And I say, look, you have to calm down first, understand the ecosystem, understand what's happening, understand where you're putting your money into, and be ready to stay abreast with information. As you're getting new updates, try to know what this means for your coins, what this means for what you're trying to buy. Like just this morning, a friend of mine sent me a tweet by Elon Musk regarding Tesla, talking about how Tesla is going to stop accepting Bitcoin for purchases of their product. And that is because, of course, we all know that Elon Musk is a big fan of climate change and sustainable environment, green energy. So the energy required to mine BTC it has a lot of adverse effect on the climate in the Earth system entirely. So to reduce and being an advocate for green energy, he has decided that okay, if we keep accepting Bitcoin, it's going to keep encouraging people to mine BTC and consequently affect the climate system. And so they are stopping the acceptance of Bitcoin for their products, and they are looking for other less energy consuming cryptocurrencies. And so we all know that the elephant in the room is Dogecoin. Yeah. So you just look at, okay, what does this tweet actually mean for my investment? How does it affect my Bitcoin holdings? How does it affect my Dogecoin holdings? Right. Because if they are stopping the acceptance of BTC for Tesla products, that just means that okay, a huge market for it for BTC has just gone down the drain, and a new market has emerged for Dogecoin if they will be accepting Doge. I saw it down the tweet that should we accept Doge or something, and over 76 people, 76% of the poll is in favor of accepting Dogecoin. So what does this mean for me? That means if you have Doge before, there's every chance that the supply is going to reduce, hence demand will increase, right? And if you don't have Doge for a while now, that just means that okay, I can buy and because anyone that wants to get a Tesla, for instance, instead of using BTC to buy that Tesla, they're going to use Doge. And of course, they would need to buy Doge, right? So the total supply of Doge, maybe daily or monthly supply, is going to reduce because people are going to be buying in or cashing in rather, and supply will just reduce and demand becomes very high. So your price goes up. Yeah, so it's very important that you know that yes, this space is not where you just do one size fits all. You have to stay in tune with information, with trends, with news, what's happening in the crypto space, new technologies that are emerging, how they affect your investment. Yes, so do not be lazy to read. That's just the bottom line. And so to get started again is after you've got the right mindset, you know that you need to read and get information, right? People pay heavily to get information. It's not about having the money at hand because yes, you could invest 10,000 naira today and a coin would do so well that you would have gotten over 100,000 naira. Yes, it's possible. In the crypto space, anything is possible. Yeah, and now you have 90,000 naira as your profit. Do you want to take this money and go shopping, or you want to invest the money back into the crypto space? If option one is your option, yes, good and fine. You've earned yourself some profit, so whatever you do with it is up to you. But if you want to cash in your profits again into the crypto space, you need to know what coin you have to buy for you to expand your portfolio to improve and grow in the space as an investor. So, um, what you do then is you just try to get, they call it signals. I'm just trying to find the right word. There are a lot of platforms that provides you with signals like, okay, you can buy this coin, you can buy that coin. Okay, currently there's a lot of frenzy around Shiba Inu. I don't know if you heard about it. Shiba Inu has done wonderfully well, and excuse me, just need to be sure that you can hear me. And yes, if you have questions, you can drop it in the live chat. If you have questions, yeah. So I think we're fine. Yeah, so talking about Shiba Inu, a lot of people were told to buy this particular coin, I think last year, and some people actually bought it in January. It went very high, right? And then a lot of people sold, and some people were told not to sell. And now it has done massively well, just to put it that way. And yes, I saw a post where someone actually put in $1,000 to buy Shiba Inu, and at February, I think he sold it for $18,000. Yes, that's a good profit, right? But as at today, Shiba Inu is around that $1,000 worth of Shiba Inu is about $97 million. And so you just need timely information. So it's not about making profit and trying to recycle and you just make a guess pick of what coin. Okay, I see this coin is fine. I don't like the color of that coin. Okay, I love the, and you just buy randomly. No, you would keep making losses. Yes, sometimes you make profits, but then you need information to actually buy such coins. So some people pay heavily to get these signals to buy. So once you've got your mindset ready and you're ready to stay in tune with info, all you need to do now is to download a wallet, any wallet at all. And what determines the wallet for a crypto investor is what coin you want to buy. If you feel that you want to buy, okay, Shiba Inu, for instance, you have to look at what wallet has Shiba Inu. For instance, I want to buy Shiba Inu. Okay, so what wallet can I use to buy it? Okay, now I know that I can use Binance to buy Shiba Inu. Great. But the problem is I have 10,000 Naira cash here. How do I convert it to Shiba Inu? Right. First thing you do is there are people we call exchanges. We have exchanges. With the CBN ban, it's been very difficult getting converting fiat to cryptocurrency. You just leverage the use of stable coins. Stable coins are coins that are pegged to currency, pegged to the US dollar. And so the price doesn't really fluctuate like when you buy Tron and within the next hour, $1,000 worth of Tron could be worth maybe um, $50, for instance. So yes, you would want to convert your fiat into a stable coin. Now, the problem is, how do I do that? Yes, before we used to have platforms like Naira X that can help you convert your money into cryptocurrency. But yeah, now with the ban and all, you have to leverage P2P, and P2P just simply means peer to peer. That is, I have some USDT I'm willing to sell. I have maybe 10,000 naira should be around $20 if you're buying at the rate of four something, I think, maybe 4.95 or so. Okay, some people actually sell for 500 naira per USDT. So if you have $10,000 and 10,000 naira, that means you are trying to convert it into $20 at that rate. So I have $50 in the form of USDT, of course. So you send me the 10,000 naira and send me your wallet address for USDT on Binance, and I'll just credit you with $20 USDT the moment I see your transaction alert. Now you've got USDT in your wallet. How do you now buy all of these coins? Yes, so you look at every wallet has their own peculiarity. Some wallets can allow you to just click on another coin and buy. Some will tell you you have to do a spot trading, right? Others will tell you have to use an exchange. Yes, but the bottom line is you just have to know what particular wallet and what method is applicable thereon. So if your wallet says buy using spots, so yeah, like Binance, you have to go to spot trading and trade your wallet. Platforms like Probit, you'd have to go to exchange. Crypto.com, each wallet has their way of converting one coin to another. So bottom line is you convert your USDT to any particular um, coin of your choice, right? Say Shiba Inu, for instance. So you just convert that USDT to the equivalent in Shiba Inu. Great. The next thing here now is if you want to transfer from one wallet to another. So you just hear again that, okay, Shiba Inu does well and you have gotten maybe 1,000% increase. What you can do is to maybe take some profits, right, and convert it to USDT. And you hear that, okay, the next big thing is Bitcoin, or the next big thing is FEG, FEG. FEG is now available on maybe Binance that you have Shiba Inu and USDT, but FEG is available on Trust Wallet. What you can do here now is to take your FEG from go to your Trust Wallet, because you cannot transfer your USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet directly. You have to look for a common coin that both wallets share. So you go to Trust Wallet and check what coin does Trust Wallet have that Binance also have, and you just check and see, okay, you can actually convert your USDT to BNB, which is Binance coin, and send BNB from your Binance wallet to the BNB in your Trust wallet. Right, so just simple. What you do now is go to Trust Wallet, copy the wallet address for BNB, come to Binance, withdraw, and paste in the Trust Wallet BNB wallet address, right? And select the network. If you're using a smart chain a network, ensure that it correlates with the wallet you've copied. Then you process the transaction. After some minutes, you get credited with that corresponding amount that you've transferred. Okay, so having said that, you now have Binance in your Trust wallet and you are heading towards buying FEG. Remember, that's the goal of all of these conversions. Then what you do now is from Trust Wallet, have exchange platforms on Trust Wallet, such as SushiSwap under the DApp, yes, decentralized app browser. It is in Trust Wallet. I don't think it's available on iOS, but it's available on Android. So what you do there is just hold on. You just go to DApp on your Trust Wallet and go to maybe Pancake Swap, for instance, or Sushi Swap, whichever one matches your preference. And you take the contract address for FEG, FEG, right? You want to buy FEG and you have Binance Smart Chain, which is BNB in your Trust Wallet. You connect the wallet address. I'm still going to try and do a tutorial of this because we call these low gem coins. They are very, very low when it comes to price. You can use $10 to buy millions upon millions worth. Uh, there's no sound. Okay. Okay. I did not know that there was no sound. But can you hear me now? If you can hear me, let me know. How about now? If there is no sound, then it must be that I'm having issues with my sound card. Can you hear me? There's no sound. Okay. Okay. Then I may have to redo this. May have to redo this then because I've dropped a lot. And anyway, how about now? Can you hear me now? Okay. All right. So I would have to redo this. Maybe next time we'll do something less less tricky. Like, I did not want to connect it to a streaming software. I just wanted to go straight to the point. But then, okay, we have to consider an Instagram live then. I think that would be better. Okay, so with that said, let me just pause from at this point so I don't just keep saying things and you're not getting it clear. Okay, thank you very much for that notification. I'll update you with the next steps, what we're going to do next.